Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I am your Fusedbro. So guys, this video is dedicated to all my Pubg fellows. Well, Pubg is banned in India and that's really sad for some people, but the servers are still working. But again, we don't know whenever they can go down, so we should have alternatives, some backups. So I brought you 4 amazing games which you can play as a replacement for Pubg, and the only advice I will give you is don't get addicted to these games. So the first game is Call of Duty Mobile. Well, this game serves you high graphics which are realistic, and Call of Duty is a great company. Well, all the games of Call of Duty were perfect in their own era, and this game for mobile is perfect after Pubg because requirements are not that much as compared to Pubg, but you can play this game smoothly even on your 2 GB RAM mobiles. So you can definitely go with this game. This also serves you with the royal pass thing, and you can get through amazing skins for your guns. You can play TDM, you can also play classic matches with your friends, and this is a great game to play with. So the next game is obviously Free Fire, and before telling about this game I would like to tell you that all the games are not ranked by me and these are at random positions, so don't feel offended. Well, Free Fire is a great game and is also very popular because of its low graphics, and this battle royale serves you to play with against 49 players within 10 minutes, where you have to play a match of 45 to 40 minutes in Pubg. You can finish that match in 10 minutes, sir, and you will get the royal pass thing once again, amazing skins. You can also play with this game with friends, and the game is fine to play. You can definitely go with this game. So the third game is Brawl Stars. Well, this game is brought to you by Supercell and I hope you would like to play this game. Well, if you like miniature games, then you should go with Brawl Star, and this also serves the Royal Pass. Well, this is a battle royale list and you'll get to play with Royal Pass gun skins with friends everywhere in these games, even in the last game. So you can definitely go with this game. Uh, these are best for children who are playing Pubg in age about 7 to 8 years, and you should give this game a try. So now before moving to the last and the fourth game, I would like to request you that subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that we can save your brain from getting fused. The fourth game is Fortnite. Well, this game comes with impact graphics and the gameplay is really high. Well, you can play this game on PS4 and now you can also play this in your mobile. Well, Epic Games brought this game and you have to install a Fortnite installer in your phone, and iPhone will serve in App Store, but you have to go for Epic Game Launcher in Android from Chrome or any other browser. Well, if you want to really play this game, check the link in the description I'll give you here. So this game also serves you great graphics. Well, these are not realistic and these are a little bit cartoonic, but you will definitely love to play this game, and requirements are a bit higher. Like if you want to play this game smoothly, you need 6 GB RAM, and it will also work on 4 GB RAM, but not that much smooth as compared to 6 one. So you can but definitely try this game, I would like to tell you. So at the last I would only say thanks for watching, and your bonus game is also in the description, go check it out.